Are you tired of fighting to get lug nuts off of your car? I'm going to show you a cheater bar that you probably never knew you had. And look, it's probably been in your face the whole time, but it will be the arm from your floor jack. It's a 3-ton jack I got here. I'm going to show y'all so y'all can see what it's coming off of. It's just a simple jack. And all you do is take this top arm off, and now you got a cheater bar. Now let me show you how that cheater bar works. What I'm gonna do it is pretty simple. You put your socket on, and then goes your breaker bar, cheater bar I should say, and it's as simple as that, folks. I'll do another one for you real quick. That one got a key, so I can't do that one, but I can do this one down here for you. Okay, see? Now that one got a little bit more tension on it, right? But we can still do that with one arm, watch. Simple as that. It's open. Just like that, folks. A breaker bar you probably never knew you had. I'm gonna get the rest of these wheels off because I got a brake job to do.